Want to create or generate a WhatsApp group QR code. A WhatsApp group QR code is a unique code that allows users to join a specific WhatsApp group simply by scanning it with their smartphone. This QR code can be shared through social media, email, or even printed out, making it easy for people to join the group without having to manually enter a link. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Next, navigate to the group for which you want to generate the QR code. For this example, I'll use a test group I've created. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open a new section in WhatsApp where you can see various group details, photos, videos, and other options. Scroll down a bit until you reach the Members or Participants section. Look for the option that says Invite to Group via Link and tap on it. Here, you'll have the option to copy the group link, send the link via WhatsApp, or generate a QR code. Tap on the QR code option. The app will automatically generate a QR code for your group. You can take a screenshot to save the QR code to your photo gallery, or you can use the share icon at the top right of your screen to share the QR code directly through apps like Instagram, email, TikTok, and more. If you're interested in more WhatsApp tutorials like this one, be sure to check out the playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.